In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on More Networks and Connections. Then select Connection Preferences, click on Printing, and select Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use a different service, use blue switcher at the top. Go back, select Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with HP1. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!